Should you quit your job to freelance full-time? If you're asking that, you're not alone. And honestly, you're smart for even thinking about it. Because this one decision can either change your life or mess it up badly. Let me tell you straight up. I've quit a job. I've done the full freelance thing. I've failed. I've succeeded, and here's what I wish someone told me before I made that leap. There isn't one perfect answer, but there are better ways to figure out which path is right for you. So sit back, relax, let's dive in. You might be in one of these three situations. You work full-time and want to try freelancing. You already have a part-time job and are thinking about getting full freelance. You're ready to quit, no plan, just vibes. Let's break down each one and talk strategy. First, what if you have a full-time job and want to dip your toes into freelancing? This is actually the best position to be in. You have income security. You can experiment. You won't starve if your first proposal gets ghosted. But here is the trap: burnout. You come home from your work, you're tired, and suddenly freelancing feels like another job. My advice: don't try to hustle 5 hours a night. Just pick one day a week to freelance. Use it to build your Upwork profile, test niches, get that first review. Your goal is to prove, not profit. If you can get just one small project and a 5-star review while working full-time, you're already in the top 10% of planners. That first review is gold. Later in this video, I'll share the exact move I made that got me $46K from one client, but only after getting that tiny first job. Okay, now what if you have a part-time job? You have time. That's your superpower. But you probably don't have tons of cash laying around. So your strategy should be to double down on learning and creating systems. Spend 50% of your time applying to jobs and 50% improving your skills or writing better proposals. Use your job hours to cover rent and your free hours to build your future. This is where I see the fastest growth. Why? Because you're not desperate, and clients can smell desperation. If you show up relaxed, confident, and selective, clients actually trust you more. Now, what if you're scared to lose your job and also scared that freelancing won't work? First of all, that's totally normal. That fear is good. It means you care. But here's a trust bomb. If you need to succeed right away in freelancing or you will be broke, you're almost guaranteed to fail. Freelancing takes time. You need a butter, a runaway, not just money but mental runaway too. So do this instead. Set a deadline. Say, I'll give myself 3 months to get 2 freelance projects before I even think about quitting. If you hit that goal, you're ready. If you don't, nothing lost. Now the big one. What if you have to quit? Maybe your job is toxic, maybe you moved, maybe you got laid off. No shame in that, but now you're on a timer. Here is the strategy. Build a 6-month financial cushion if you can. Choose a niche based on your existing skills, not your passions. Passion is great, but rent is due. Start with smaller projects to build momentum. Set your hourly rate based on your real needs, not guesses. And most importantly, don't chase every project. Pick jobs you're sure you can finish perfectly. Your early reviews will define your future. This is what I did. My first job, $5, but that one tiny job got me a review that unlocked my first real client, who ended up paying me over $46,000. True story. I know quitting your job is scary. I know freelance sounds risky, but you don't have to be reckless to take this leap. Plan it, test it, then commit. You don't need to go all in from day one, but if you prepare right, you can go full time without crashing and burning. If you need help, I made a free guide to help you calculate your freelance rate and build a transition plan. The link is in the description. If this helped you, hit subscribe. It tells me to keep making videos like this. And if you're still wondering how to get that first freelance job when nobody hiring you yet, there is a trick almost nobody talks about, but it works. I break it down in the next video, how to get your first job on Upwork. Click it and I'll show you exactly what to do.